Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change text box border color in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet. Now it says text box border color. Click on this text box. Now click this three dot option. Here we will find this edit option. Select and drawing page open. Now again click on this text box and select. And here we will find this text box border color option. You can choose here any kinds of border. You can add a custom border color. See this, add a custom border color. Okay, see this. In this you can change a text box border color as you like, and finally select save and close. This is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.